Hello again. It's June 14th, 2022. This is a trail camera mounting system from Spy High. I have about 5 of these I'm using right now. And what I'm finding is over time, this is the portion that mounts in the tree. This is the camera mount. And so far I've had 2 of these mounts where these dogs right here that grab onto this tree mount, these weaken over time. I had one fail last winter and I had one fail yesterday. And what I've been able to do is I take a piece of 40,000th piano wire and I make a spine that looks something like that. I take that spine and I melt 2 holes on either side, one here and one back here on both sides. I clean that up, make sure you get any oil or residue off here, and then I epoxy that spine. There's that spine, like so. One on this side and one on this side. And by adding these spines to these dogs, the spring force is increased. So when you install the camera mount on the tree portion, there's a lot more spring force to hold this in place. And when you go to disengage it, you'll find that it takes a good amount of effort to get it to separate. Like so. Thanks again for taking the time to watch my videos, and have a nice day.